wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best LED tube lights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Barrina T5 integrated can last for over 17 years with 8 hours of use per day, and several can be linked together as needed. They require no maintenance and are completely mercury-free, and they can be set up in a plug-and-play or hardwired manner. They give off almost no heat and come with connector cords. However, the mounting clips seem flimsy. At number 9, the houlight TH replacement give off a daylight white glow, and each produces 2100 lumens while drawing only 18 watts of power. They turn on instantly and perform well even in low temperatures and are resistant to vibrations. There are no glass components and they measure 4 feet long, but you do have to order 25 at a time. Coming in at number 8 on our list, boasting a distinctive curved shape, the hyperikon U-bend are UL listed and emit no ultraviolet or infrared rays. They provide consistent illumination without any dark spots, and each delivers 2000 lumens. They draw only 18 watts and turn on instantly. However, they are a little shorter than standard. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED tube lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the frosted glass housings on the Parmida T8 are covered in a protective shatterproof coating, and these provide a wide beam angle of 180 degrees. They come in a pack of 10 and can be purchased in your choice of bright white or daylight color temperatures. They have a lifespan of up to 45,000 hours and are backed by a 5-year warranty, but they can't be dimmed. Moving up our list at number 6, the double-ended fulight HE80 is available in warm, cool and daylight and won't produce any annoying flickering or humming. It includes detailed illustrated instructions on how to replace your current bulbs with it. It's equipped with a durable aluminum spine and is 24 inches long. However, it can't be used with ballast. Halfway up our list at number 5, the toggled A-series can cut your electric bill by as much as 70% when compared with the use of standard fluorescent options. This shatterproof build means there's little worry of breaking it. It gives off a cool white light, and it was designed in the USA. It's commercial-grade quality. At number 4, the hyperikon 4-foot dual end are available in several color temperatures and can be purchased in packs of 4, 12 or 24 to suit your needs. Each is rated for up to 45,000 hours of runtime before it will require replacement. These produce over 2000 lumens and are a strong aluminum alloy construction. They come with helpful illustrated instructions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the single-ended sunco lighting 10-pack eliminate the need for a ballast, and setup involves just a few steps. They work with non-shunted tombstones and offer good color rendition for minimizing eye strain and simulating natural light conditions. These don't flicker or buzz and come with a DIY guide and a wide 120-degree beam angle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED tube lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Philips instantfit T8 are a quick and easy replacement for old fluorescent bulbs and deliver bright, crisp illumination. They're compatible with any 4-foot fixture, as well as with most instant start electronic ballasts. They come in a set of 8 and are a good choice for task lighting. They offer a flicker-free operation. And taking the top spot on our list, the GE35896 are designed to replace traditional 32-watt fluorescent bulbs without the need for a comprehensive renovation. They're compatible with instant or program start ballasts, and each is outfitted with an internal driver. They're available in 5 color temperatures and stay cool to the touch. They have an output of 1800 lumens. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED tube lights, or simply click beneath this video.